Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous and very pretty crochet tea coasters, which you can also convert into this beautiful flower pot. So this is the coaster which I will show you, and here I have used white, green and pink yarn, and another one I have created in white, green and yellow yarn. So you can use any color combination, and I will also share how to make this beautiful flower pot. So without any delay, let's get started. So here are my yarns for the coaster in white, green and pink color, and this is 100 gram of yarn, but you will going to need very less, and this is 100% acrylic synthetic yarn. You can use any yarn whatever you have, it doesn't matter. And also you are going to need 3 mm crochet hook, 1 yarn needle and 1 marker. So this is the stitch marker. So I'm starting with making the magic ring using white yarn. Pass through this, make chain 1. And then we are starting with our row 1. So first we have to do chain 2, and then inside this magic ring we are going to create total 12 double crochets. Just yarn over on the tool, pass through the ring, take out the tool, again yarn over, pass through first 2 loops, yarn over and pass through remaining 2 loops. So this is called 1 double crochet, and with the same method I am going to make 11 more double crochets. So this is completely done. Now to attach last stitch with first stitch, here I am using my second chain which we have created on the first and doing the slip stitch. So we have completed our ring and row 1 is ready. Just pull the bottom thread tight to close the center. Now starting with row 2, for this I am making chain 2 and then incrementing in each chain by doing double crochets. So on each stitch we are going to do 2 double crochets, so that at the end we will get 12 double crochets. And we have reached the end. Again I am doing the slip stitch on the second chain, and the second row is also done. Then I am proceeding for the third row. For this I am doing chain 2, then 1 double crochet and increment in, so you will get 36 double crochets at the end. So third row is also done, looking very nice till now. Then I am making chain 1 and just cutting off the yarn. Just create the knot by pulling the thread, and the white yarn work is completely done. Now I am attaching green yarn with random chain. Start from any chain and just attaching the green yarn like this. Then I am making total 4 chains like this. And from the same space I am going to make 1 double crochet from the same stitch. Then skipping 1 chain, so I am skipping the next one, and on the 3rd chain I am starting with making 1 double crochet. Then making chain 1 and again doing 1 double crochet in same chain. Then skipping the next chain, and we have to repeat this step till the end. So here I have reached to the end. Now I am just attaching with the chain by making slip stitch, and our green row is also done. Make chain 1, cutting the yarn and just pull the thread. Now I will show you how to weave this remaining thread around the design. So you just need the yarn needle and just weave it through the design in zigzag manner, and then make some knots and just snip it out. Looks nice and finished. Then I'm starting with pink design. So first we have to attach the pink yarn from any random V design. So now we are working on the V design only. Doing chain 2, and we have to do 5 unfinished double crochet together in the same space. So this is also known as puff stitch. Make double crochet, pass through only first 2 loops, yarn over, pass through only first 2 loops, so we have 3 double crochets, yarn over, pass through first 2 loops, so we have 4 double crochet. At the end you will have total 6 loops on your tool. That means you have completed 5 double crochets. Now yarn over and pull your thread through all the loops at same time like this. Then we have to make chain 2, 1 and 2, and then in the same space I am doing slip stitch. So you will have your first puff or popcorn stitch like this, so pretty. Then starting with the next V gap, so inside the next V gap I am making slip stitch first, making chain 2, then again making a puff stitch, then at the end doing chain 2 and doing slip stitch in the same stitch. So we have to repeat the step till the end. And now it's completed, so I'm just doing slip stitch with the first space, and the pink thread work is also done. Ta-da! And our coaster is also ready. Just make chain 1 and snip it out. So I'm going to weave this pink yarn as well. So here is our beautiful pink coaster ready. Now it's time to create our flower pot. So for this I'm taking this light brown color, same quality yarn, and using same crochet hook. First we have to create the magic ring for row 1 and doing 6 single crochets in the ring. Then doing slip stitch to attach first chain with the last one, pull the thread to close the ring. Then for row 2 I am doing chain 1 and incrementing on each chain, and here I am putting my marker. So at the end we will get 12 single crochets. Then for row 3 I am doing chain 1, 1 single crochet and then increment in next stitch, and we have to repeat it for 6 times. So at the end we will get 18 stitches, and we have to do slip stitch each time to connect the last chain with the first one. Now for row 4 I am doing chain 1, 2 single crochets and increment, and we have to repeat it for 6 times to get 24 stitches. Also I am doing row 5 by doing chain 1, 3 single crochets and increment for 6 times to get 30 stitches. Now I have reached to the row 6 to doing chain 2, and we have to work now only on the back loops. So first I am putting my marker, and here can you see our chains. So we have to work only on the back side of the chain. So this is the back side, this is the front side, and we have to work on the back loops only. So I'm going to do 30 double crochets in each back loop. And this is completely done, doing the slip stitch to connect both the chains. Now it is getting shape. Now for row 7 to row 9 I am doing chain 2 each time and doing 30 double crochets. Then for row 10 I am doing chain 1 and 30 single crochets and slip stitch to close the ring. Cutting the excess yarn, and our flower pot is completely ready. I'm just going to weave this remaining yarn, and to give nice base to the pot I am putting one circular cardboard cutout inside the pot so that it will have sturdy base. And our cute flower pot is ready. Then taking my crochet coaster, you have to just fold it like this to make bouquet, and you can put this small flower bouquet inside the pot. So this is very nice and unique idea as a gifting purpose. If you are gifting the crochet coaster to anyone, you just need to create one small flower pot and gift it as a flower bouquet. And with the same method I have created in one more shade, that is in the yellow color combination with the same method. So this is completely done, and in this way you can just play with different color combinations and create lots of coasters for your nearer one and dearer ones. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.